Hey, what's up guys? I'm standing at one of my fix and flips. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm inside the house now, and this is a very common color theme that we do. It's the brown and tan look. So we've got this tan wall color, and we're using this brown laminate flooring, and we like to match our paddles to the flooring color as much as possible. And let me go ahead and show you what the kitchen looks like. And the kitchen is definitely the room that you want to be putting the money into, right? It's where you're going to get the most bang for your buck. And if you make the kitchen pop like this, I think that you will get your money's worth, right? So on this house, bought it for $115,000. We put around $37,000 or so. I wouldn't be surprised by the time we're done with the pool and finishing the fence and everything else, we'll be closer to $40,000 in repairs, a little over budget, but we should be able to clear at least a minimum of $40,000 net on this house. And let me just give you a little quick tour so you can see what it looks like. All right, so this is just standard Home Depot blinds. This is standard 89 cents a foot laminate flooring. This is 69 cents a foot tile. It's by a company called Traffic Master. On our granite countertops, we pay $35 a linear foot. Our stainless steel appliance package is a 4-package. Comes with a stove, the microwave, and the fridge, and the dishwasher. And all of those together is $1,800, right? So we're not using anything top shelf here. Everything's Home Depot, basic stuff. The only thing where we're going a little bit better than basic is on our cabinets. We're not always using Home Depot cabinets. We're using a cabinet company to come out. They measure, and they basically quote us at about the same price as Home Depot, but we get better quality cabinets. The granite is custom cut by the same company that measures out the cabinets, and they actually come and they install it. So they come, they cut it, they first measure it, they cut it, and then they come and they install the base right down here, the countertop and the top. All we've got to do then is hook up the dishwasher and the faucets and the stove, fridge, microwave, and we're good to go. I'm going to show you a little bit more. Hallway, and there's another bedroom, exactly like the previous one. And here's a bathroom. I'm not a big fan of the shower door. I told them I don't want to use that again. I prefer the previous shower door we were using. We're using typical faucets, nothing too amazing, basic. Not even, if you were a contractor, you would look at this and say, not 100% top-notch kind of work. Definitely not, right? But you get what you pay for in this business, and this is not a high-end neighborhood with high-end homes. This is a neighborhood where we need to put $36,000 and change into a house and fix it and then resell it. And on this one, like I said, we should be able to net easily, if not 50, I'm going to be conservative and say $40,000. So if you want to learn how to do this, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, keep watching these videos, like it and share it, and love to see you at one of my boot camps. I'll drop a link to my fix and flip boot camp below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.